anyone can be a creator.
As a creator.
Creator. What is a creator?
To me, a creator is someone who creates something out of nothing. Someone who is able to think of an idea and bring it to life.
That's really what it is at your core, creating something from what you're feeling.
It's the person that takes action on their ideas. Because a lot of people have an idea, but they never actually take the action to make it in reality.
I think a creator is anyone who has an idea they want to share with other people, especially if their perspective on this idea is something they haven't personally seen talked about before.
If you are creating anything for the audience to see, I think you're a creator.
For me, a creator is someone who is making something that others resonate with. You have the tools these days to make any sort of product, short form, long form, photo, video, music. So many people are now able to share their lives, share their unique jobs, share their unique visions of storytelling. So creativity, I mean, it's everything. That's what keeps me motivated to keep coming back and keep making videos.
The moment that I looked back and thought like, oh man, I'm a creator was when I made my first video on TikTok. Got like 2 views, but I enjoyed it. I was probably the only viewer to that video, so it was when I was watching my own stuff that I was like, you know what, I think I'm actually a creator.
I started making content when I was 10 years old on an iPod Touch. I love documenting my life and being able to share it with other people. It was just kind of natural for me, and it was something that I always loved to do, so I kept doing it.
I was always consuming YouTube content, and I was like, I feel like I could do this myself.
Anybody can start a YouTube channel, anybody can start a TikTok. A lot of people kind of fall into a trap of like, well, I don't really know what to make anymore, and that's the part that's super, super hard.
Being a creator is a long-term game. Find the thing that you're so passionate about that you can be doing it for years down the road, because that's what makes this job of being a creator so fun.
We all go through different life experiences, and everyone has a unique story that they can tell.
Just start making stuff. Just go out there and just start making whatever it is you want to make. Just start creating.
To actually go after it, it takes taking steps after steps after steps.
There's never been a better time to be a creator than right now.